Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the contour filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, here you will see a search bar. Just tap there and search for contour. Okay. Remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, so this is the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then you can go to discover and here you can search for contour filter. Okay, here you will see video with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect icon. It's in yellow. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect gallery. From here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see try this effect. Just tap there to try the effect. Likewise, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.